Check. I'm Landon, and this is my Haro XO. Alright, there you go. I got a new stolen seat. Can't really see it's stolen, but I got a stolen seat. I got new Haro grips. Got brand new Haro grips. And I got some Diamondback. I got Diamondback rims. Come on this side. Let's see, I got some new Textro brakes. I got donuts. These things are good for your hands. They tear up. They don't tear up really. I got some new Haro pedals. Kind of dirty. I was riding some dirt yesterday.
Hold on. They're really blue or purple. You just look like blue.
Yeah. Well, my bike is actually purple with some pearl in it. It's purple and pearl. When the sun hits it, you can see blue. And then I'm running a 2810 sprocket. Well, let's see what else. This is the thing. When I bought this off of a guy, he had a red line and a DK crank arm on it, and I don't know what to do, but this Christmas I'm getting a 25/9 sealed 3-piece red line. And so, anybody wants my old rims, just comment and we'll be good. And stop.
It does look, the purple looks blue on this, but it's really purple too.
Stop.
Yeah, boy!